This iPhone keyboard on Android is absolutely insane. Today, I'm going to show you how you can configure it perfectly on your phone. Just follow along and by the end, you'll have it ready to use. Let's get started. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment. I'll be happy to respond and help you out. See you in the next video. Take care.